Hey, what's up, you guys? My name is Larry Thomas. On this particular channel, we'll be talking about photography and videography. Now, on today's video, we'll be talking about how I learned film directing. How did I learn? How did I learn film directing? This is how I learned, you guys. And please subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so so far, you guys. And if you can, like this video at the end. If you do, let me know. Let's support each other, you guys. All right, the first thing I would say, picking up a camera and shooting. Picking up a camera and doing random videos, you guys. Just press record and see what that thing do, man. Get you a camera. I started off with the DSLR. Well, actually I didn't. I started off with something, I don't even know the name of it. It was like this camera, you just point and shoot. You couldn't turn the ISO up or anything. But yeah, I started with that and I was like, man, okay, I can learn some things. So the more I learned that camera, I had to get me another one. And the more when I learned that one, I moved on up. That's how I want to do. But at the same time, if I have something that is making everything that is working, I'm not gonna go purchase another camera. That's just how I am. But yeah, so I would say learn editing. To be a film director, learn how to edit. I have a video about learning how to edit. We should have checked that out. So learn about how to edit. You can kind to maneuver through your shoot. Like you can really know how to place people, know how to shoot such and such things, different scenes and everything like that. So make sure you learn editing, man. Editing is great. It's time consuming, but it is worth it. All right, I would say the next thing, become a PA. Become a PA. If you become a production assistant, man, you can learn a whole lot, really everything if you get on a lot of sets. So become a PA, and I have a video talking about how to become a PA as well. Next thing I would say, become a background actor. I have a video about how to become a background actor, you guys. So if you want to learn film, I have all the things that you can teach you how to become a film director or get interested in the film industry. If you're interested in the film industry, be sure to become a PA or do something behind the scenes. All right. Next thing I would say, write a short film. Write a short film, man, and then shoot it. Write a short film, direct your film, man. Directing your own film will help you when somebody else want to hire you to direct their film. You feel me? So write your film first. Learn everything about it. Learn everything about the scenes. What can you do, and know what you can do. You feel me? All right. So the next thing, watch movies with great directors. That's the big one, man. Right? Watch your movies and see how directors direct. See how these shots are going. See how emotional shots, see emotional shots. See aggressive when the aggressiveness build up. You can see all of that, you guys. The next thing I would say, watch YouTube. Watch YouTube videos, man, because that will teach you how to be a film director. Watching those YouTube, I still watch YouTube's videos. I'm like, man, I didn't know that, but now just by learning, man, all the knowledge is on YouTube. That's why I say you don't have to really go to school. Everything is on YouTube. It's on social media right now, man, and we have that privilege now. Back then, you didn't have this kind of privilege to just go out and just learn everything off YouTube, but now you can learn basically anything on YouTube. So that's what I have. That's how I learned filmmaking, learning how to be a film director. I'm still learning. I'm not saying I'm the best filmmaker. I'm not the worst either. But at the same time, I want to learn every day. Every day of my life, I want to learn something about film, you guys. All right, guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so, guys. Like this video if you can, guys. I will do the same to your videos, man. And we got to support each other. Comment on how you became a filmmaker. Comment how you became a filmmaker. If you're a filmmaker, let me know how you became a filmmaker, you guys. Let's chit chat, all right? God bless y'all. Until next time. Peace.